Hello! This video is very exciting. It means that you just got your lashes in the mail and it's time to put them on for the first time. I am naked faced greeting you because I'm going to do a little tutorial for you step by step. Number one, some women get it the first time. Some take several times, some take a week. You know, for me, it took me a couple times to get it, but I have many friends that put them on the first time, and as long as I watch this video, I'm taking out all the guesswork for you because a lot of these tips I learned through trial and error. So your lashes are going to come like this. These are the Midnight Blue lashes. These happen to be a 10 magnet lash. We have some 6 magnet lashes and some 10 magnets. So your lash will also come with 8 to 10 little anchors, and we'll come to that soon. So the very first thing you want to do is you want to take your lash out of the tray. And you want to, number one, if you have the lashes that are 10 magnets or you have some of our more volume lashes, you want to take just a few minutes, not a few minutes, more like 30 seconds. And in between every magnet, you just want to kind of bend it. And what that does is it just allows it to be a little bit more flexible on your eye. So if you have eyes that are very round like I do, then it allows them to lay a little bit better. So you just want to kind of bend between each magnet. And then, see, now it's a natural eye shape. I don't know how I'm supposed to hold that. There we go. Now, almost all of my lashes, I have had to cut off one magnet if you have a 6 magnet lash. Some girls have to cut off up to 3 magnets on the 10 magnet lashes. So the way you look is you just lay it right on your lash line and see, let's see, way too long for me, okay? So you're gonna start the lash right at where your natural lashes start on the inside corner. It looks like to me, it's really hard to tell in the mirror, that I need to cut off this 2 magnets on the 10 magnet lashes. So what you do is you take your scissors and you just cut right in between the little magnets. It's very easy. Don't be scared. I have people say, but it's scary. Just take a little pair of scissors. You cut right in between and you just cut it off, okay? You want to cut off from the outside corner, not the inside corner, outside. So now, when I lay the lash on, it's going to be exactly the size that I need. Perfect. So after you trim both your lashes, you're going to have your little tray that your lashes are in. And when you trim your lash, see how it kind of falls like that? There's a little magnet in the back, and you take that little magnet and you just move it a little bit like that. And then when you're done with your lashes, they lay right in the tray and they stick the best way. So when you take your lashes off, you never just want to throw them on the nightstand or whatever. You want to put them right back on the tray. So that'll keep their shape. You never use liquid on your lashes, so that will ruin them. So the liner is waterproof, but if you get splashed in the face, it's fine. But the lashes will not stick if you submerge them in liquid. It will pull off the magnets. So do not ever use the remover or water or any type of remover to clean the lashes. After you take the lashes off, all you do is just take your fingernail and just scratch the liner right off the magnets. There's never a reason to use any kind of solution. So that is trimming and cleaning them. And I am going to start another video and we'll talk about how to put them on.